How to clear Samsung keyboard cache on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, we tap on Samsung keyboard settings and then scroll down. In here, tap on reset to default settings. And on the last option, tap on clear cache. And here says some additional cache data may remain. You can clear in settings, apps, Samsung keyboard, storage, and tap clear cache. So tap on clear, and that's it. We have now clear keyboard cache. And then after that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your Samsung keyboard settings. Tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.